Hi everyone! Welcome back to Indoorsy Mom. Today I'm making a super easy and fresh homemade basil pesto pasta using simple ingredients you already have at home. Let's get cooking. In a pan, bring water to a boil. Add oil and salt, then add 2 cups of pasta. Cook until al dente, then set aside. Don't forget to reserve some pasta water. For the complete recipe, just visit the description box. In a food processor, add fresh basil leaves, garlic, nuts, Parmesan, salt, pepper, and olive oil. Blend until well combined and smooth. Cook until al dente, then set aside. Don't forget to reserve some pasta water. In a hot pan, add the basil pesto mixture and cook until fragrant. Add the cooked pasta into the sauce. Give it a good mix until every strand of pasta is coated with that basil pesto sauce. If it's too dry, add a little pasta water. Then add tomatoes and cook for a few more minutes. Add Parmesan powder, mix well, and turn off the heat. Give it a quick taste before plating, and add salt and pepper if needed. Plate the pasta, drizzle with olive oil, sprinkle Parmesan cheese, and garnish with fresh basil. And it's done.